GoPro just released new version of its GoPro action camera, GoPro Hero 11 Black. So let's check the info. What we have. Its design seems to be identical to earlier GoPro Hero 10, but it is a great form factor, so why change it? And if you happen to have old mounts for earlier Hero 9 or 10, those are also for 11 now, which is good. Obviously the number on the side has changed. Displays in the back and front are the same. It's still waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet. Battery is looking same, but it is enduro battery as a standard now. Earlier it was an accessory. And enduro battery has 38% more runtime. This is good as earlier standard battery is not that great, what I have noticed. Camera is now 27 megapixels compared to 23 megapixels in Hero 10 Black. And it's capable of shooting at an 8:7 aspect ratio at 5.3K. But this change is less about image quality and more about the added flexibility that this almost square aspect ratio brings. The benefit of this is that rather than taking a crop from horizontal frame, you still maintain very high image quality with the vertical exports. The ability to export videos in various aspect ratios without compromising on quality means that this is great, especially for those who post across multiple social media platforms. Processor is the same GP2 processor as in Hero 10, but now the camera can shoot 10-bit color. Hero 9 and 10 shoot 8-bit color. This 10-bit is actually a great improvement. Resolutions are the same, 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120. But when using this new 8:7 aspect ratio, it drops a bit to 5.3K at 30 and 4K at 60. New 8:7 aspect ratio and new image sensor brings new digital lens called HyperView. Second new digital lens is similar to linear plus horizon leveling that you'll find from Hero 10. This one is called linear plus horizon lock, in which the horizon will stay level even if the camera tilts while recording. HyperSmooth 4.0 in earlier Hero 10 was already really impressive. Now we have HyperSmooth 5.0, which has something called Auto Boost, which automatically determines the level of video stabilization you need based on your speed and movement for the smoothest, widest shots possible. So basically it widens or narrows the view based on how shaky the camera is. And then there's feature for GoPro subscription, where you'll have auto upload and highlight video creation. When you plug your GoPro to charge and it's connected to your phone app, it's going to automatically upload the footage to the cloud, and it's going to auto highlight that footage and do that edit for you and inform you when it's done. And this isn't a Hero 11 feature at all. It's something available to owners of any camera back to the Hero 5 as long as you have GoPro subscription. So that's probably the quick first look on new Hero 11. It's good that the form factor on Hero 11 is identical and all different mounts people already have will fit this Hero 11 as well. There's nothing really dramatic leap up from earlier versions, but GoPros already have been compact action cameras full of features, but with the new aspect ratio on 27 megapixel camera, you can now shoot a lot for different platforms with different aspect ratios and not losing any quality. What are your thoughts about new GoPro? Are you going to get one? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, I'm an engineer that has passion for everyday technology, health technology, smart home, but also personal finance and lifestyle topics. And if you made it this far, I hope today's video was useful. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any more info that we should know about new GoPro or any questions or experiences. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.